So, in this crisis situation, I also said that I will be explaining few questions which are very powerful, which we need to ask. And what are those questions? You may note down them. The first question, these are some of the questions from the classic code NLP pattern, which I teach in my practitioners program. 5 powerful questions to ask. What is good in the current situation? There is so many things which are said and heard about it. So what is good in the current situation? That is the first question which you can ask to yourself. Second question, in which context it is good? Again, as I said, NLP is context free. I will not ask you to write down any answer, but for your own self, you can note down these questions and write answers for yourself. It will save you in coming days. If the lockdown increases, if there is more challenging situations, these 5 questions will help you a lot. The third question which we need to ask, what would I need to believe to feel good? Now this question talks about our belief system. What are my belief system? Can I feel good now? Or always I have to be depressed? It is again your choice. To feel good or to depress is your choice. To feel happy or unhappy is your choice. Whatever you are doing in your life currently is your choice. You cannot blame anybody that because of certain situation, because of certain person, because of certain environment, I am depressed, I am unhappy. It is not like that. If you feel that you are unhappy today, if you feel that you are depressed now, imagine a person comes to you and put a gun on your head and say that better you laugh or I will kill you. Don't you think that you will laugh? Definitely. So it is your choice, but don't wait for the person to come with a gun. Take your own choice and be happy right now. Be resourceful right now. The fourth important question, very important, which I like, what can I learn from this situation? Of course, this situation we are facing first time in our lifetime. We never face such kind of situation. We never face such kind of challenge. But yes, we are facing this today. We might have faced this kind of situation maybe for few hours or few days. I remember facing a similar kind of situation, not a lockdown kind, but on similar kind of situation when I was roaming around in Africa. I love to travel a lot, and in Africa, when I was roaming around, I faced certain kind of situation, and I was stuck in for almost 2.5 days. So this is a pretty different situation, and in this situation, what can I learn that I need to ask? So the moment you convert your problems into learnings, the perspective changes. And next question, what will I do differently next time? Everybody today, if you are not having any task to do and you talk to people, some people are saying that, yeah, we are frustrated, we don't know what to do, every day is a boring day and stuff like that. And there are some people who are following a good timetable, waking up early in the morning, doing exercise, yoga, meditation, reading some good books, doing some activities and stuff like that. So what different can you do today and tomorrow? These are the powerful questions for you to ask during crisis period. Use it. They will be lots and lots of helpful for you all in this situation and in the situation coming in future as well.